Jetpack Compose Basics. Compose is Android's modern UI toolkit. It replaces XML layouts with Kotlin code. Instead of describing UI structure, you describe what you want to see. Today we learn the fundamentals of Compose. Traditional Android UI is imperative. You have views. You call methods to change them. TextView.setTextNewValue. You tell the system how to update. Declarative UI works differently. You describe what the UI should look like for a given state. The framework figures out how to achieve that. If count is 5, show text count 5. If count changes to 6, the framework updates the text automatically. You declare the desired result. You do not write the update logic. Declarative is often simpler, fewer bugs from forgotten updates. The UI always matches the state. In Compose, UI is built with composable functions. A composable function is marked with @composable annotation, @composable fun greeting. Inside, you call other composables to build UI. Composables describe UI elements. They do not return views. They add elements to the composition. You can call composables from other composables. Build complex UI by combining simple pieces. Composables can take parameters, @composable fun, greeting name string, customize behavior with inputs. The framework calls your composables when state changes. It figures out what UI needs updating. Text displays text on screen. Text hello world. A composable that shows a string. Text parameters. Text is the content, color, font size, font weight, customize appearance. Text equals greeting, font size equals 24.sp, color equals color.blues. Respects user font size preferences. Text is the equivalent of text view in Compose. Button is a clickable element. Button on click equals brace action close brace. Text click me close brace. Button has two parts. On click is the lambda for click handling. Content is what the button displays. The content is a composable, usually text, but can be anything. Icon, row with icon and text. Button handles touch feedback automatically. Ripple effect, disabled state, mathematically, ripple effect, disabled state. Column arranges children vertically. Column brace, text first, text second, text third, close brace. 3 texts stacked top to bottom. Row arranges children horizontally. Row brace, text left, text right, close brace. 2 texts side by side. Column and row are the Compose equivalents of vertical and horizontal linear layout. They take parameters for arrangement and alignment. Vertical arrangement, horizontal alignment for column. Arrangement.space between spreads children out. Alignment.center horizontally centers them. Modifiers change appearance and behavior. Text x equals hello, modifier equals modifier.padding16.dp. Modifiers are chained. Modifier.padding8.dp.background_color.gray.fillMaxWidth. Order matters. Padding before background adds padding inside the background. Background before background adds padding inside the background. Background before background adds padding outside. Common modifiers: padding, size, fillMaxWidth, fillMaxHeight, background, clickable, border. Modifiers are the primary way to style composables. Instead of many parameters, composables take a modifier. Box stacks children on top of each other. Box brace image content alignment equals alignment.center brace text overlay close brace close brace. Box is the Compose equivalent of frame layout. Use content alignment to position children. Alignment.center, alignment.bottom end. Children draw in order. First is bottom, last is top. Box with modifier.fillMaxSize is a common pattern for full screen content. Preview lets you see composables in Android Studio without running the app. At preview, add composable. Fun greeting preview brace. Greeting Android close brace. The preview annotation tells Android Studio to render this composable. You can have multiple previews. Different states, different themes, different sizes. At preview, show background equals true. Name equals light mode. Preview functions do not ship in your app. They are for development only. Preview speed up development. See changes instantly without building and running. A simple Compose screen combines these elements. A composable font profile screen, column modifier, fill max size padding 16 dp brace, text name, font size 24, specs email button on click brace close brace, text edit profile close brace, column arranges elements vertically. Text shows name and email, button triggers an action, and the entire UI is Kotlin code, no XML, no find view by ID, no binding classes. Compose is concise, type safe, and reactive. State changes automatically update the UI. Let us summarize. Compose uses declarative UI. Describe what you want, not how to update. Composable functions build UI. Mark with add composable, basic composables, text, button, layout composables, column, row, box, modifiers, style, and position elements. Chain them together. Preview annotations shows composables in Android's UI. Compose is the modern way to build Android UI.